Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to redeem code in Monopoly Go. And here is how. As you can see, I am currently on this website where I have located a guide explaining how to utilize free redemption coupons and prices for Monopoly Go, and all about redeem codes. When the game is published, the redemption codes for Monopoly Go will be available. The redemption codes for Monopoly Go have not yet been made public, as you can see from the table below, which will be updated. There isn't yet a gift store or redemption section in the game where you can input free coupons and guess rewards, but the creators will definitely provide a location where players can enter free codes to receive exclusive benefits. How to redeem free codes in the Monopoly Go Codes coupon website. Because we update this article as soon as we learn of any French information regarding how to obtain a free coupon code, users are recommended to exercise patience and pay close attention. The objective of the Monopoly Go developers is to entice players to specific events in order to offer them the best redeemable coupons. Finally, by using these redeem coupons, users can obtain rolls, money, and other special rewards. When these new Monopoly redeem codes are produced, there is no set interval for how frequently new Monopoly Go codes are released. For the gamers' enjoyment, the developers, however, release fresh code whenever a significant event occurs or they have something to celebrate. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.